Usambut Menteri Rangba Khuborjylla ba Prestun Tinsong, heni gasngiu la pentip bau la Bthah ke Tnad Pulit pakan Peitngor halor ke Jingjia Khah ke Kawang Petrol bom hakanong ba. Habukren bikila pathai Khubor ba Prestun ulai thuru bagi pa kim dei setia ban red mensib namar ke sorkar kan Peit ba kesukasan kam dei setia ban syakta.
We will not allow anybody to take the law on their own hands. Law will prevail, and I have already instructed very, very clearly to the DGP and also the SPs and all to make sure that this kind of thing should not again reoccur. There are incidents like that where the petrol bomb, happen, maybe in 4, 5, or 6, or 7, and 8 places. That happened, but at the same time, let me tell you, from the police side, from the home, we are on the job and will make sure that people are fully safe and secure. Like this, be cool and calm. Be cool and calm. I think if you say law and order is totally broken down, it's not like that. We have asked all the department concerned, all the police office, the government offices to be cautious and also to make sure that when they park their vehicle or whatever, it should be in a proper place. See, the investigation is on. As I said to you, it is not only with the police alone. Judiciary also is there. So you see, as I said to you, the procedure is there. So therefore, whatever the law takes, I think let us leave it to the number one, to the judiciary, and also from our side also, whatever conclusion we will submit ultimately all the issues to the judiciary. We know that our people are very safe, the public are safe, they can go to the market, they can walk in the street safely, there is no harm. Now we are examining, but as I said to you, we will not sleep, we will make sure that the law is in order.